don't get a chance to make this video, you're about to see the classic cars and restoration show at the NEC at Birmingham. Let's have a look. Whoa. It's actually a huge interior. Damn, son. It's amazing how big cars used to be. And that's absolutely massive.
Test the mind and take your ideas. Section for an exciting new ship.
Look at that for engine bay. So much room.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so, do it. How long is it?
Sorry for the wind. It's the only time I have to quickly make this video. The best bit was family time, and we actually got to meet in the flesh a DeLorean from the show, the Back to the Future show. A DeLorean, and it was very brilliant. It's a work of art to see something like that. But then you look at the interior and go, that's the 80s. Cars are much better now. Yeah, that was cool. So thanks for watching. Don't drink the coffee while I can.